I'm going to show you a quick little ninja trick here today to if you ever have a hard time of figuring out where to advertise or what site would be a good place or a good fit for your product or your niche to advertise. Because you know, sometimes you'll just advertise on some other platform and then it just bombs and you waste your money. Well, this is gonna save you a lot of time and money. So I'm here on this site. It's called Similarweb, like you can see here, and just for this little tutorial I just put in men's health. Here on the dashboard I put in menshealth.com, seeing that so many people are into the health and fitness niche. So if you put menshealth.com in here and you go let it do its thing, then it'll go out and say all these things are all nice to know, like the country rank, the global rank, blah blah blah. But what we really want, what's really interesting, is when you go up here and you go up. See here, you can see where they get their traffic from. But here at referrals, top referral websites, you can see yahoo.com, flipboard.com, PJ Media, MSN, and Fark.com. I bet you most people have not heard of flipboard.com or pjmedia.com, even Fark.com. It's like these are websites that you would never know of, but if you look here, Men's Health are getting 14% of their referral traffic from this Flipboard website, and they get 6% from PJ Media, which is up by 227%. So obviously something is working for them here. So if you have a health and fitness or a related website or related product that you want to sell, then you can just come here and then let's go to Flipboard. You go to flipboard.com and see what exactly is Flipboard all about. Let's go there. Okay, so here we are on Flipboard, and somewhere here on this site you will find the men's health ads. They're here. I'm not gonna let's see, maybe here. Let's try health. So here somewhere I can guarantee you'll find like a men's health article or something from Men's Health that links back to their site. So you can just come here and see what Men's Health is doing. Like, okay, here's Women's Health. So you can see, okay, they come here and then they write a little article, publish the article, people click here and they go back. So you can go and do that with with your own website or with your own products. You just contact these guys at Flipboard. I checked earlier. You go here to Tools, click Tools, and then here for brands. See, and then they'll say Flipboards help you connect your brand story to the people who are interested in paying attention. So here you go. 145 million people are reading around the world. So you go here, you go to get started, and you launch a campaign. And now you know you're on a site that's already working really well because you checked it out here on Similarweb. And yeah, you can do that in any niche, any website. Just put in a big website or a big competitor in your field, and you can see where they get their traffic from. And then you go to that same site, and you can go look and see how they advertise. Are they using banners? Are they using articles like Women's Health does here on Flipboard? And then you just do the same thing. Just simulate them with Similarweb. You just you make a banner. If they use banners, if they use a purple banner, then you also make a purple banner. A purple banner with a smiling guy on the banner. You make a purple banner with a smiling guy. I'm not saying copy them exactly, but just use what they're using. I mean, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. everything is here. You can see exactly where they advertise, you can see how they advertise, and you can see that it's working for them. So yeah, it takes a lot of the guesswork out of advertising and doing marketing your website or your affiliate products, and it saves you a lot of time and headaches. So yeah, if you that's it. If you're interested in to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link for a course in the description. That's really cool that I'm doing at the moment. Lots of really good training and showing you how to do things the right way and get results. So check it out, give it a click. If you enjoyed this, please leave me a comment or two, and let me know if you've used when you use Similarweb, if you got some good results from it. Until next time, cheers, bye.